In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a fast and effective daily stand-up in Jira using your active sprint board. Let's be honest. Daily stand-ups can easily lose momentum when people are digging through scattered notes or searching for the right tickets one at a time. Instead of staying focused and quick, the meeting turns into a slow status update. The good news is that Jira gives you a much cleaner way to run this process with visual boards, filters, and live updates that help the whole team stay aligned. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian workspace. Sign in securely if needed, then once you land on the main dashboard, open the software project you want to use for your stand-up. This gives you a central place to see the team's active work without jumping between tools. After you're inside the project, head to the left-hand navigation menu and click Active Sprints. If your team uses a Kanban setup instead, open the Kanban board. This will bring up your main board view, where work is organized into columns such as To, Do in Progress, and Done. This visual layout is what makes the stand-up much easier to follow. Next, use the filter area above the board to focus on one person at a time. You can do that by clicking a team member's avatar or selecting their name from the assignee filter. Once you do, the board updates to show only that person's assigned work. This removes distractions and keeps the conversation centered on the individual currently speaking. With that filtered view open, walk through the classic stand-up flow visually. Review what they completed yesterday by looking at cards in Done, then check what they're working on today by looking at cards in Progress. If they mention a blocker, open the relevant ticket and add a comment with the details so the issue is documented clearly for the team. As updates are shared, move tickets live during the meeting when needed. If someone says a task is finished, click and drag that card into the Done column. Jira will immediately reflect the change, which helps keep reporting and board status accurate without extra cleanup afterward. If you want a faster summary, you can also use the built-in AI assistant in Jira. Open the search or AI panel and ask for a summary of sprint progress, including new bugs or recent blockers. This can be especially useful for asynchronous updates or quick team-wide reviews. Before you wrap up, take a final look across the board and confirm that each task is sitting in the correct column and that everything appears clean and up to date. That last check helps ensure the team leaves the meeting with a shared, accurate view of the sprint. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.